So I will continue to add a blend here, or fillet. We can see here. Here we have it on the drawing. There will be a variable fillets or a blend. So I will select the part here, press S, select blend, and I will use the constant first, but I will add 1 millimeter radius. Select this edge. Also select smooth connected. So now we have 1 millimeters around the whole edge here. And then I'll choose variable and set points number. And we need another one here, like so. And this point should be at 50%. Type 15, hit enter. Select this one, it should be at 25%. And this one at 75. And the radius here should be 3 millimeters. Select the radius, type 3 and hit enter. Do the same here, 3 millimeters. And this one should be 15. Like so, and then I click OK. Then I will add this part. We see that the thickness is 4 and the diameter is 11, the hole is 5. So I will zoom in a bit, like so, and drag a cylinder, drop it here in this intersection, on this point. And the diameter should be 11, thickness 4, and we see also that the distance from the backplated is 8 and 48 from the bottom. So I will turn on the tribal, then I will select or right click this handle, edit distance from this point here. It's already 8. Then I select this handle, right click, edit distance from the bottom, and it is already 48. So it is in the right position. Then I turn off the tribal. We have to extend this cylinder a bit so it will attach the whole surface. So I right click the IntelliShape, and here we have backboard end condition, and I choose extrude to next and click OK. So now it is attached to the surface here. Then I will cut a hole, drop it here, and that should be 5. And then I will add some blends here, 0.5, select the part, press S key, select blend. Here I type 0.5. Select this edge and this one as well, like so, and then I click OK. Then I will add this text here. So to do that I will need a sketch. So I come up here to Sketch, tab, select 2D, sketch. Click here on the midpoint or center point, turn on the tribal, rotate this sketch or the grid 90 degrees in this direction, and then I will move the grid to this point here, like so. Then I will move the tribal to the center, right click to center point of the cylinder. Now I can rotate it around the center, like so, and now I can add the text. Click here on the origin. Here the text will be made in USA. And the size, I think 6 will be good. And I will place it here on the center point or the center. Then I click OK, finish up here. So now when it is selected, I choose the tribal to move this in the right position, like so. And now we come up here to feature. We have to use emboss. There are two emboss. This one works only with one curve. Wrap emboss works with several curves, so I will choose that one. And here I have to choose the face where I want this text to be placed. And offset, I have typed already 0.75. I think that is high enough. And then I click OK, like so. So now the text is in place. Okay, that will end this part of the video.